Hello and welcome back to the channel. Ever missed an important moment because your phone froze at the wrong time or waited forever for your battery to charge when you needed it most? Well, OnePlus says those days are over. Today we're diving into the brand new OnePlus 15. A phone that promises speed, power and performance without compromise. Is it really the solution to your daily smartphone frustrations? Let's find out. The OnePlus 15 is the company's latest flagship for 2025, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, a stunning 6.82-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 12 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB internal storage and a massive 5,400 mAh battery with ultra-fast 120-watt charging. You also get a revamped 50-megapixel triple camera system, OxygenOS 15 with upgraded AI features, an improved cooling chamber for gamers, and a sleek glass metal body that feels premium in the hand. Speed and performance. Everything feels instant. Apps open without delay, animations are buttery smooth, and even heavy games like Genshin Impact run at 90 frames per second without heating up. The new Snapdragon chip plus OnePlus's advanced cooling equals real flagship performance. Display quality. The 1.5K AMOLED panel is vibrant, crisp, and supports Pro HDR. Watching movies or scrolling through social media feels absolutely incredible. Camera system. The 50-megapixel main sensor captures sharp, natural-looking images with excellent dynamic range. The ultra-wide lens handles landscapes beautifully, and portrait mode produces DSLR-like depth and bokeh. Battery plus charging. From 1% to 100% in around 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. Battery life easily lasts an entire day, even with gaming and heavy use. OxygenOS 15 AI features. Smart reply suggestions, AI wallpaper generation, improved multitasking. Everything feels simple, helpful, and never overwhelming. For gamers, no overheating, rock-solid FPS, and lightning-fast touch response. Perfect for BGMI, PUBG, Free Fire Max, and any fast-paced game. For creators, 4K 60 frames super steady mode and high-detail photos make this ideal for YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok content creation. For students and professionals, split-screen multitasking, fast charging during short breaks, and all-day battery life make the OnePlus 15 a reliable daily driver. So, is the OnePlus 15 worth it? Absolutely. If you want blazing fast speed, a premium display, charging that feels like magic, and a camera that never lets you down, OnePlus has built a phone that truly solves real-life smartphone annoyances. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest tech breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to Tech Trove, smash that like button, and drop a comment telling me which feature impressed you the most. And if you're planning to grab the OnePlus 15, check the links in the description for the best deals and more details. See you in the next one.